Happy birthday, Tita Jane! We miss you. We love you. You're now turning 50. You're turning 50 and you don't look like a day over 30. I miss you a lot. And I hope you eat a lot of food on your birthday because that's what we usually do when we celebrate our birthdays together as a family. We may be separated. We may be separated now with us being here in America and JB being in the Philippines, but we are still connected and we still love each other very much. We really miss you.
We love you, Aneng. God bless you. And kung ano man ang iyong dasal, kung ano man ang iyong hangarin, at kung ano man ang iyong nais na way pagkaloob sa iyo ng Diyos, dali kayong mabuti. Likas sa iyo ang pagiging mabuti at generous. Nawa maging masaya ka sa iyong golden birthday.
Wow! 50 years old!
Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal ka namin. At kaisa ni Pangga na wala ngayon dito ay meron siyang ganap. No? Ang aming pagmamahal, ang aming dalangin, ang aming mga hangad. Lahat ng mabuti para sa iyo. May God choices, blessings be always to you and your family. We love you.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Jane!
Okay.
What's it called? We love you. We miss you. And what's it called? Eat very, very well. Get fat because it's really good. And please get American visa.
So you can come here.
We'll sponsor you when we have money.
Yeah. We love you. Happy birthday.